The very public controversy between Tim Pool and Liquid Death has an important takeaway for businesses, so let's talk about it. But before we get into that, hi, I'm Natasha. I'm an attorney. I talk all things advertising. If you want to set up a call with me, go to theadvertisinglawyer.com. But let's get back to the controversy. Liquid Death is a company that sells water out of cans instead of plastic water bottles. They have this death to plastic bottles motto. And Tim Pool is a famous podcast host who is going to launch his own company, Pool Water, as you can see in a glass bottle. So Tim Pool accused Liquid Death of having plastic in their cans despite making most of their campaign anti-plastic in all of their marketing. And this launched a huge Twitter argument. On its website, Liquid Death advertises that it donates a portion of its proceeds to help kill plastic pollution. There are cans still being sold that say that they donate a portion of profits to kill plastic pollution. But in their tweet, they're saying 10% of profits could mean zero if the company is unprofitable, and that they changed to portion of proceeds is donated for this reason, because 10% of profits doesn't actually convey the donations that are being made. As you can imagine, this is problematic. Consumers want to support brands that stand for something or support greater causes. Especially because plastic is such a hot topic, this is likely something that a consumer might want to hop on and buy Liquid Death because of what they stand for. It's important for companies to know that they have to be very clear about what they are donating, how much, and where the money is going to if they are going to make claims about cause marketing. Saying something vague like donates a portion of profits to kill plastic pollution likely doesn't tell a consumer how much of the profits. How are you killing plastic pollution? And if profits means zero, a consumer is not going to know that that company is unprofitable and will still believe that they're supporting a cause. And I'm not saying that Liquid Death is not donating. They did change their marketing on their website, but I am saying that if a company says that they are donating a portion of profits and they are unprofitable, that is still misleading advertising. This is ripe for both FTC enforcement and class action. A consumer could absolutely say they bought this product because they were misled by the cause marketing, and in fact, their money was not going to the charity that they thought it was going to or the cause that they thought it was going to. If you found this video interesting, make sure to hit the follow button and let me know if you have any other questions.